Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pixie Look. We're delighted to have you here today. If you love beautiful pixie haircuts, elegant bob hairstyles, and inspiring hair transformations for women over 60, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest hairstyle makeovers and beauty inspiration. Today's video is all about the top short haircuts for women, featuring stunning bob and pixie hair transformations. If you've been thinking about refreshing your hairstyle, this collection is filled with ideas that prove a simple haircut can completely transform your appearance and boost your confidence. For many women over 60, choosing a shorter hairstyle is not just about fashion. It is about finding a haircut that is practical, elegant, and easy to maintain while still reflecting your personal style. Short hairstyles have remained popular for many years because they offer comfort, versatility, and timeless beauty. Another timeless favorite is the pixie haircut. A pixie cut is stylish, lightweight, and incredibly easy to manage. It highlights the eyes, cheekbones, and smile while creating a youthful and confident appearance. Many women discover that after trying a pixie haircut, they never want to return to longer hair. Layered pixie cuts continue to be one of the most requested hairstyles. Soft layers add movement and volume, making fine or thinning hair appear fuller. Textured styling also gives the haircut a modern finish while keeping it natural and effortless. For women with naturally wavy or curly hair, short hairstyles can beautifully enhance natural texture. A carefully shaped bob or pixie allows curls and waves to frame the face gracefully while remaining easy to style each morning. Choosing the right haircut is always a personal decision. Hair texture, face shape, lifestyle, and personal preferences all play an important role. A professional stylist can customize a bob or pixie haircut to suit your individual features, ensuring that the final result feels comfortable and flattering. Maintaining a short hairstyle is simple with regular care. Gentle shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, and lightweight styling products help keep the hair healthy and full of shine. Visiting the salon every 4 to 6 weeks helps maintain the shape and keeps the haircut looking fresh and polished. A beautiful haircut also works perfectly with elegant fashion. Short hairstyles allow scarves, earrings, eyeglasses, and necklaces to become more noticeable, creating a balanced and sophisticated overall appearance. Whether your wardrobe is classic, casual, or modern, a bob or pixie haircut complements almost every style. One of the most exciting moments in every makeover is the final reveal. Seeing the finished haircut often brings smiles, surprise, and renewed confidence. Many women say they feel lighter, more energetic, and more comfortable after choosing a shorter hairstyle. It is amazing how a fresh haircut can inspire a completely new outlook. Remember that beauty is not measured by age or hair length. Every woman deserves to choose a hairstyle that makes her feel happy, confident, and comfortable. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of a bob or the bold confidence of a pixie, the best hairstyle is the one that reflects your personality. We hope today's collection of bob and pixie hair transformations inspires you to explore new hairstyle ideas. Sometimes a fresh haircut is the perfect way to celebrate a new chapter and embrace your natural beauty with confidence. Thank you so much for watching Pixie Look. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest bob hairstyles, pixie haircut transformations, and beauty inspiration for women over 60.